create a 3-minute YouTube video about opening scene. Soft Persian music plays in the background. Welcome to Iran, a land of rich history, diverse landscapes, and breathtaking beauty. Today we embark on a journey to explore some of the most beautiful places in this fascinating country. From the ancient ruins of Persepolis, which tell tales of a glorious past, to the vibrant bazaars of Tehran, where the hustle and bustle of daily life create a unique charm. Iran is a country where tradition meets modernity, offering a blend of old and new. The stunning landscapes range from the lush forests of the north to the vast deserts of the south. As we travel through this incredible nation, we will uncover hidden gems, meet warm and hospitable people, and experience the rich cultural heritage that makes Iran truly special. So sit back, relax, and join us on this unforgettable adventure. Our first stop is Isfahan, often referred to as half of the world. Isfahan's architectural marvels and historic bridges will leave you in awe. Next, we venture to the ancient city of Persepolis. Once the ceremonial capital of the Achaemenid Empire, Persepolis stands as a testament to Iran's glorious past. Founded by Darius the Great in 518 BCE, this magnificent city was the heart of the Persian Empire. Its grand palaces, towering columns, and intricate carvings reflect the architectural brilliance and artistic achievements of the time. As we explore the ruins, we can imagine the grandeur of the royal ceremonies and the bustling life that once filled these halls. Persepolis is not just a historical site, it is a symbol of cultural heritage and a reminder of the empire's influence on the world. Now let's head to the deserts of Yazd. Yazd's unique desert architecture and ancient Zoroastrian sites make it a must-visit destination. Our journey continues to the lush Mazandaran province. From dense forests to serene coastlines, Mazandaran offers a refreshing escape into nature. Finally, we arrive in the vibrant city of Shiraz. Known as the city of poets, wine and flowers, Shiraz enchants visitors with its beauty and culture. Iran is a land of endless beauty and hidden gems waiting to be discovered. From the bustling bazaars of Tehran to the serene deserts of Yazd, every corner of this country tells a unique story. The ancient ruins of Persepolis whisper tales of a glorious past, while the lush forests of the north offer a tranquil escape. The vibrant culture, warm hospitality, and rich history make Iran a truly unforgettable destination. Thank you for joining us on this journey through Iran. We hope you enjoyed exploring its wonders as much as we did. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more travel adventures. Your support helps us bring more incredible destinations to you. Until next